Here's the workshop. Trusty tool cart, parts bin, whiteboard, CNC plasma cutter I need to work on, some tools, computer setup, more tools, electronics point, oscilloscope, all that stuff. More storage. Over here we got the 3D printer station. Currently printing some parts. Another project in process here. A bunch of parts there, the air conditioner. Whole bunch of tools here. CV, the guitar. And then over here, got the CNC machine. CNC machine's all set up. You got the drone station in here. Battery chargers. More drones, storage. Got a quadcopter and an octocopter there. Another big quad there. Everything is pretty well set up.